What's up, beautiful people? In this video, I'm gonna show you the benefits of orange peels with cucumber plants specifically, and probably you can use this for any portion of your garden. Let's go! What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, great people? So I have been having such a tumultuous problem with ants and my cucumbers, so much so that the cucumbers have been growing, but yet and still they have not been able to keep their leaves because the ants have been devouring them one by one. And I've been sitting by watching and seeing how it's been trying to grow with the new trellis system like we did and things like that. And every time leaves start to form and things like that, the ants come and devour them, and that is a problem that we're gonna solve today. I'm gonna show you what you need to do, how you can solve the problem, and how you can lead to future growth with your cucumbers. All right, so let's do what we have to do. So what I want to do right now is just to show you the ant problem that I am talking about, so that when we go through the solution process and I go ahead and spray the solution that we're gonna make, I'll be able to show you all before and after, even within an hour's time, so you can see all of the different ants that are on here. Actually not so many today as there usually are, but nonetheless you can tell that, look at this, the leaves are just not being able to keep their form and grow nice and green and healthy as they do usually. And so even here you can see that, boom, damage has occurred, and it's all because of these little black ants that have been doing and wreaking havoc. But today is the day that we solve that problem. We no longer have that taking place, and we can now have our cucumbers growing nice and strong on the trellis system and to harvest, so that me and my family can eat, y'all. All right, so let's get to the solution. All right, great people. So the way you're going to eradicate this problem is with a water bottle and some orange peels. So we have these bad boys, and what I'm going to do is take some of these orange peel scrapings and I am going to break it up into little pieces so that I can fit it in the hole of the water bottle. And as I do this, let me just tell you about orange peels itself. Now, the benefit of orange peels is that it is a natural repellent for ants, okay? Like, they can't stand the smell of it, and not just ants but also spiders as well. And so, hey, get an orange, enjoy the orange, because oranges are good for the body, as we already know, filled with vitamin C, so it's good on the human side. But then there's a beneficial property on the repellent side, in which it will, like I said, get rid of your ants, get rid of your spiders and things like that. The beautiful thing about orange peels as well is that it will decompose, so you can't put it out in your garden, it will decompose and things like that. And so it can even go into your compost bin. You can also put it in the bottom or the top layer of your soil as well, just to keep the scent going and things like that, to keep away your ants, your spiders, your aphids, all those things like that that you don't want creeping, crawling all on your garden situation and your plants, or like me, on your cucumbers. And so as you see, all I'm doing simply is taking the pieces that I just peeled off with my hands, put them in a water bottle, shake it up just to get the water going with the smell and the scent and all the things like that. And it actually smells good on the finger. So hey, we're going to spray it. Like I said, I'm going to spray the cucumber area first, and then I'm going to wait. I'll wait like 30 minutes just to let the ants smell what's there and get out of the way. And then what I'm gonna do is take the rest of the orange peels and put it on the base of the container so that they stay away, okay? It's not just about getting them away today, but it's about spraying them so that they stay away. So let's go ahead and spray these bad boys, and we'll come back and all that good stuff. Boom, 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 boom. Spray time! So now I'm just gonna take the solution as we already mixed up and just spray. Oh, stream. No, I need the mist. Let me see. All right, so this water bottle picked up from the Dollar Tree, but it had a stream setting and it also has a spray setting, in which now I am spraying the cucumbers with the spray feature on. And again, you can just spray away, because the orange itself will not harm or hurt the cucumber plant itself. It's all natural. All we have in here is water and orange peel. So all natural, all organic, no worries, no frets. and we just gonna spray. We gonna spray the ants away. We gonna spray the ants away. That's the name of the game. And so I'm gonna come back over on this side and do the same thing. Man, this is a finger workout if there's nothing else. But nonetheless, we just go spray. We gonna spray the ants away. That's the name of the game. And like I said, in 30 minutes, what we're gonna do is then come take a look, but then also put the orange peels at the base of the 5-gallon bucket just to keep future ants from staying away. You know, this is not where you want to be. This is not a home for you, and me applying those orange peels is going to make that statement. So I feel like I have a nice liberal dressing. Let me make sure it gets up under as well, because ants can live up under the leaves themselves, and I don't want to have any area for them to hide, to run, to go, or to stay. Today, no, you got to go, okay? Everybody say it with me. No, you got to go. No, you got to go. While you're waiting on that, I just want to say hello. My name is Ricky Jones Jr. If you are new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I promise you there'll be so much fun that you will learn from this channel, especially in the garden, because that is where I am focusing now on, in which you can join now, because there's so much great things to come, especially when we get to 10K subscribers. There will be a giveaway, and as well as a huge announcement, okay? So let's get there before the end of this month, okay? We can do it, y'all. Let's go. All right, great people. So now we have been waiting for over 30 minutes, honestly. And I must say, things look a lot better than it did before. The ants are moving. They're moving. Now, they haven't totally vacated the premises, but nonetheless, what I'm gonna do is just, you know, encourage some movement by rubbing my hands along those leaves and things like that, in which we can even see them here doing what they do. So I'm gonna just keep on knocking them down, keep on knocking them down. Much better than we were before, so I am very pleased with the results that we have so far, which again, that was only just 30 minutes. And what I will do, for those who are wondering, what you should do is when it does rain, you do want to go ahead and reapply the solution itself. But overall, what I'm gonna do now is take those peels, put them at the base of my cucumber 5-gallon bucket, just right here, just to show you all the exact process, so that there is no guessing games or anything as to what I am gonna do or what I am doing or what you could do. I'm just peeling this bad boy apart, putting it there, just like that, just so the ants know. You can even see the ants running. These bad boys are running at the smell of it. So, and that is what takes care of them, is the smell. They cannot take the smell, and especially when they digest it, it will take care of them, right? We'll just say it that way, because I don't know who's watching, and if it's kids, don't want to say the wrong things. But nonetheless, it will take care of them, so they will walk no more. That's all I will say. But nonetheless, just like that, we are going to lay these peels out. And now I do have some cucumbers growing over here in the raised bed as well. So what I'm going to do, I've sprayed them already. I'm gonna just lay some peels down as well. I'll put one there, put one on the other side, like so, just like so. So I have some orange peels in there as well, and then I have some over here doing what it does as well. Now, like I said, we're gonna help reinvigorate the cucumbers themselves, and we're gonna do that by the help of Epsom salt, guys and gals. And so the benefit of Epsom salt is that it awakens the cucumber roots to be able to receive the necessary beneficial properties, right? So we know for cucumbers, they really don't need nitrogen, but they really need phosphorus and potassium to help with flower growth and root development, especially in that they have been, you know, taking part in the eating process of these ants. And so you don't want to put too much, because, you know, a little bit goes a long way. The key component of the Epsom salt beneficial properties itself is that with the magnesium, it will then open up the roots to be able to receive the nutrients in which I just talked about, being the phosphorus and the potassium. So putting those things down, a little bit goes a long way. Ideally, you want to put it down, especially in container like that, 5-gallon buckets. You want to put it in twice a month. I've been neglecting it, but when it's like heavy feeder, mid-season, things like that, go ahead and throw it down twice that month, and then from there you can just do it once a month and then feed it with the necessary fertilizer that has the emphasis on the potassium and the phosphorus. Or you can get the even scenarios if it's 4-4-4 or 10-10-10. You don't want it to be like higher than the 10-10-10s, but nonetheless, emphasis on the second two, okay, the potassium and the phosphorus, and you will have nice and healthy, strong cucumbers. Okay, so we have done what is necessary to go ahead and alleviate my ant problem, as well as yours if you do have one as well. And then we also did what it took to get these things back up and running to the full potential, so they can fill that trellis that we have for them to the full until it overflows. Okay, I'm so ready for harvest time. Cucumbers are so good for the body and they do so well, but nonetheless, had a little rodent problem, but we have alleviated that problem today. And so with that being said, I love you all. I appreciate you all. Subscribe again if you are new. I appreciate you, because we are getting to 10K subscribers before the end of July, and I have some giveaways and announcement that I want to give to you, and we're gonna do it then. Okay, I love you all. I appreciate you all. Till next time, peace, happy gardening.